When I first came to Bangalore, I was just a teenager, and ever since I've wanted to make a space here in Bangalore which feels like home away from home. And almost 6 years later, I can finally say that I have a place here that feels like home. Hi everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great and are staying safe at home, keeping good care of yourselves. Welcome to my room tour. First, let me just give you a quick caveat. So I live in Bangalore. I live in PG. I don't live in a flat, and the rent for this room is 20,000, which is a lot, but it isn't a lot considering the area that I live in and considering all the amenities that I get. So the main reason why I shifted to a single room was because I wanted to make YouTube videos with more privacy and with more, like, whenever I want to shoot, wherever I want to shoot, I can do that when I have a personal space. And since YouTube was such a big reason for me to shift to a single room, I wanted each and every wall to have some kind of decor so that I have different kind of background for all of my videos. So the first wall that you see right after you enter is this. So ये यहाँ पे ना मैं 9:16 के सारे videos shoot कर सकती हूँ, get ready with me वगैरह shoot कर सकती हूँ यहाँ खड़े होके, so that the background also looks really nice. All the decor is from Meesho, majority of them, and उसका मैं एक detailed review video बना चुकी हूँ. But link to all the products will be in the description box of this video as well. So let's go ahead. Right after this wall are my cupboards. Now first time in 6 years I have 2 cupboards. I am so much accustomed of एकदम छोटा छोटा फोल्ड करना मेरे कपड़ों को और एक ही कवर्ड में अरेंज करना. बट सिंस दिस रूम वॉज ओरिजिनली फॉर 2 people, बट सिर्फ मैंने लिया हुआ है, तो ये एक डबल शेयरिंग को कन्वर्ट करके सिंगल शेयरिंग बनाया है, इसीलिए रेंट भी थोड़ा ज्यादा है. आई डोंट माइंड दैट because I get 2 cupboards. So this one has a mirror attached to it, a full length mirror, and this is a normal cupboard. Cupboard खोल के मैं दिखाने नहीं वाली because there's a lot of mess there. The next wall adjacent to the cupboard is this one again. Now यहाँ पे भी मैं अपने 9:16 वाले वीडियो शूट कर सकती हूँ because ये ऐसे है. यहाँ पे I can shoot my get ready with me as well. 1 wind chime and 1 dream catcher. You will see that मेरे रूम में बहुत सारे dream catchers हैं. All the dreams I wanna catch and fulfill in 2025. You can also see ये मैंने जितने भी डेकोर लगाए हैं वो सारे कमांड हुक से लगाए हैं. Now this one command hook was of dirty pink color which I obviously did not want, तो मैंने nail paint से उसको black color करके वहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है. So it looks a little okay now. Now when you come this side of this wall is my bed and everything. यहाँ पे ही बैठ के मैंने अपने मीशो का हॉल वीडियो शूट किया था. यहाँ पे I have a big macrame mirror and उसी के साथ मेरे पास ये मनी प्लांट का garland है. I don't know what is this called, and this looks really pretty. I love real plants. But every time मैं घर जाती हूँ, this isn't my permanent address, right? This is a PG. तो जब भी मैं घर जाती हूँ ना, तो मैं 1 या 2 महीने के लिए तो जाती ही हूँ और मेरे सारे प्लांट्स मर जाते हैं. And I obviously did not want that, so I did want greenery here, but not real plants. So I went ahead with this one, and this looks so pretty. ये ना बहुत जगह कैप्चर कर लेता है एक मनी प्लांट का जो गार्लैंड होता है. So it looks really pretty and lively to me. And मेरे बिस्तर पे यहाँ पे I have all the books. I love reading books. I am obsessed with them. I also have 2 real plants. ये दोनों अभी जिंदा बचे हुए हैं. जब तक बचे हुए हैं तब तक मैंने रखा हुआ है. I think one is snake plant and one is some lily का कोई स्पीशी है. Right उसके नीचे बिस्तर के I have this one pen stand जो कि मैंने DMart से लिया है. And this has all the essentials that I would need, and I do not want to step out and get something from the cupboard. So this has my lip balm. This has my Vicks. All of those, you know, miscellaneous things जो कि मैं नहीं चाहती हूँ उठ के लेना, but then मुझे जरूरत पड़ सकती है. This side of the bed also has a lot of books and some notebooks. This has my 2025 planner as well. So if you guys don't know already, I post 3 shorts video every day, and I try to post 2 long form videos in a week. So there's a lot of videos that goes into, and there is a lot of planning that has to go into that. So I like to write everything down so that I don't miss out on any of the videos. So I have that here, and then I also have some of my self-help books that I'm reading. I have around 10 books here, and yeah, I also have a scented candle, and ये वाला candle मुझे office से मिला था, which you can see in my office vlogs. And here I have मेरा बिस्तर, तकिया, टेडीज etc. कुशन. I also have one more teddy, पर वो गंदा हो गया था तो मैंने उसको धुलने डाला हुआ है और अभी तक सूखा नहीं है. And I didn't want to wait more for this room tour video, so I was like, let's just shoot it without it. You guys will see it in my other videos any which ways. I wanted to make this room tour, I would have any which ways, but then a lot of you guys started asking me also where is the room tour, so I was like, I feel a little validated now. अब तो मैं और जल्दी पोस्ट करूँगी. So here we are. Here बिस्तर के just इधर I have these frames. You know about the story behind these frames. You can watch it in my Meesho haul. यहाँ पे ये जो frames होते हैं ना जिसमें ऐसे beaming बीच में होता है, it makes me feel that I'm attracting that energy somehow, and I'm all for energies and subconscious mind and all of that. Sign me up for it. So this looks really pretty. यहाँ पे बैठ के मैं अपना 16:9 वाले videos बना सकती हूँ, the horizontal videos. So it acts as a really nice backdrop as well. And right next to my bistar is my table. Now here is my table. And मैं पहले चाहती थी कि एक अलग से vision board बनाऊंगी, पर वो बहुत ज़्यादा cluttered लग रहा था मुझे when I started putting that idea into action. So I got these क्लिप्स वाले लाइट एंड इस पे मैंने अपने सारे विजन्स लगाए हुए हैं. एंड ये रात में तो और भी ज्यादा सुंदर लगता है जब सारे लाइट ऑफ होते हैं ना, तो ये बहुत ज्यादा सुंदर लगता है. उसी के बाजू में आई हैव दिस वेस जिसमें ट्यूलिप्स रखे हैं विच यू गाइस मस्ट हैव सीन इन माय हॉल ऑलरेडी. एंड देयर इज अ प्लशी एंड वहां पे है मेरे भगवान. आई कैन नॉट फॉर द लाइफ ऑफ मी स्टे इन अ रूम जिसमें भगवान ना हो, एंड आई एम स्कैर्ड दैट वे. यहाँ पे मैंने एक बैग रखा है जिसको मैंने कमांड हुक से अगेन अटैच किया है दीवार पे. एंड दिस बैग है सारे मेरे भगवान के सामान. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं कहाँ रखूँ, तो मैंने वहाँ पे वो बैग लगा दिया है. एंड इट हैज ऑल दी अगरबत्ती एंड ऑल दी बुक्स एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग इज देयर. And here as you can see I have table में ही there is a nook inside to keep all your stuff. So I keep 6 baskets which are from Amazon. Heavy duty basket अगर आपको चाहिए, these are the ones that you have to buy. ये मैंने यहाँ पे 6 रखे हुए हैं. First 4 of them have the groceries and उधर वाले में है ironed कुर्ती and इधर वाले में है मेरे bedsheet. And then here is my chair. This again is given to me by the PG itself. यहाँ पे I have 1 towel, वहाँ पे I have 1 throw blanket and here I have मेरे office का bag. Wall from the table is this one. Now this again will be very nice backdrop for like a horizontal video 16:9. You know about these shelves. These are for $100 and look at them. Do they look like they are $100? They do not. यहाँ पे I have 2 shelves and वहाँ पे I have a dream catcher. And again ये dream catcher के पास मैंने ये fake garland जैसा plant again लगाया हुआ है because you know the greenery brings a lot of liveliness to the room. And yeah, with that we have come to the place जहाँ से हमने वीडियो शुरू किया था, the entrance of the room. Now I know that you guys must be having few questions. I'm gonna rapid fire answer all your questions. Okay. Number 1, where is the washroom? So washroom is right next to my room. It's not necessarily attached if you go to the technicalities, but I consider it an attached washroom because it is literally 1 step away. बाहर निकलते ही I would have any which ways not shown you my washroom, so that's that. Now you must have seen a little bit of stains on the wall. Now I personally do not mind it because जब मैं पिछले रूम से आई थी तो मैं पिछले रूम में भी मैंने बहुत से स्टेन्स छोड़े हुए हैं. मैंने अपना पूरा FN विजन बोर्ड बनाया हुआ था पेपर का क्लिपिंग्स चिपका के फेविकॉल से ऑन द वॉल. सो ऑब्वियसली दैट्स गोना लीव अ लॉट ऑफ स्टेन्स. एंड व्हेन आई केम टू दिस रूम दिस ऑल्सो हैड फ्यू स्टेन्स एंड आई डिड नॉट माइंड इट बिकॉज आई न्यू मैं यहाँ डेकोर लगाऊंगी. मैंने इतने सारे कमांड हुक्स लगाए हुए हैं, सब जब मैं यहाँ से जाऊंगी मैं भी छोड़ के ही जाने वाली हूँ, राइट. सो आई डोंट माइंड इट. आई फील इट गिव्स अ लिटिल कैरेक्टर टू द रूम. द रूम लुक्स अ लिटिल लिव्ड इन and I am all here for it. Now you guys must want to know कि मेरे 20K रेंट में क्या क्या इंक्लूडेड है. मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुकी हूँ, but then I'm gonna tell you guys one more time. मेरे 20K में my electricity, food, gym, all the necessities जैसे कि washing machine, fridge, सब कुछ included है. So it feels like a right deal for me. And if you guys have any further questions, comment them down below, or you can ask me on my Instagram as well. I will leave a link to it in the description box as well. And with that, I'm gonna let you guys see a little montage of my room, and that's it. That's gonna be it for this video. Subscribe for more. Bye.